Hey, hello, welcome to the Blue Oval Car Barn. We are right down the street from the Baker Hotel and underneath the Crazy Water sign. Also, we got Ready Kilowatt blazing at night outside now. I'm a little disheveled today because we're here prepping for our open house Friday night. Friday night, we're gonna have an open house, have 100+ people here, reveal some new cars, make a presentation of a car to a new owner, do some fun stuff. I look forward to the people that are coming. I look forward to sending you a few pics and snapshots of the open house and the stuff that we do during the open house. It's going to be an interesting night because we're going to reveal 4 cars that the public hadn't really seen before. Only a few glimpses have been on Facebook during construction. We're also going to present a new owner, their new 68 Shelby GT500 that they've never seen and that they've bought putting multiple thousands of dollars of faith in me. Fools, right? Anyway, we're going to have a great time. I look forward to seeing the people that are going to be there. Starts Friday night with an open house. Saturday, some tours of the the Baker Hotel. Sunday night, we're going to have a big party in the top of the Crazy Water Hotel with local talent, a guy from New Mexico, Sid Masters, and the great Ray Riley Hubbard's going to play at 8 o'clock on Saturday night. So we're going to have a big weekend of events here at the Car Barn. I wish everybody could be here. The Blue Oval Car Barn Invitational. You can look it up on the internet, look it up on Facebook. I look forward to seeing the people here, and I look forward to seeing all of you to come tour and see all this stuff over the next years. Thank you very much. Talk to you later. Welcome to Mineral Wells, Texas.